Let me clear something up right now. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are not unmotivated. You are unclear. Hey there, you productivity-loving, clarity-craving, action-taking rock star. I'm Mark Struczewski, also known as Mr. Productivity. And if you're feeling stuck, foggy, or you like beating yourself up for not doing enough, this episode is for you. Now, when I first became a solopreneur back in July of 2005, I fell victim to what I now call the 3 C's: courses, coaches, and conferences. I was like Oprah handing out cash. You get some of my money, and you get some of my money, and yes, you get some of my money. I told myself I was investing in success, but the truth, I wasn't clear on what I needed or where I was even headed. I kept hoping the next course, the next event, the next coach would unlock the answer. But clarity doesn't come from consuming more. Let me say that one more time because you might have missed it. Clarity doesn't come from consuming more. It comes from slowing down, getting honest, and figuring out what actually matters. And that's what we're diving in today on the show, because clarity, not hustle, is the game changer. Now, we live in a world that glorifies hustle. Go, 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 go. Rise and grind. Never stop. And if you dare to slow down, you get labeled lazy, unmotivated, not serious. But I'm here to tell you that is a lie. Most people aren't lazy. They're stuck. They're overwhelmed, not because they're not trying, but because they don't have a clear direction. Imagine trying to run through thick fog. You're not sprinting. You're not confident. You slow down. You hesitate. You trip over things you didn't even see. That's what it feels like to live without clarity. You keep saying, I just need motivation. But what you really need is a path. When the fog lifts, you move with energy and confidence. And that's what clarity does. Lack of clarity doesn't look dramatic. It looks like distraction. It looks like procrastination. It looks like rewriting your to-do list for the 3rd time today. You tell yourself you're being productive, but deep down, you're avoiding the hard stuff because you're not sure what actually matters. So what do you do instead? You organize your desktop. You browse for a new app. You buy another course you won't finish. Why? Because it feels like motion, even if it's not momentum. Remember what I always say, complexity is the gateway to procrastination. I'm going to say that sentence again because you need to tattoo this on your brain. Complexity is the gateway to procrastination. When everything feels important, nothing gets done. But when you get clear, the noise fades, focus sharpens, action follows. So how do you break out of the fog? You pause. You breathe. You ask yourself, what exactly do I want? Not what you should do, not what your favorite influencer says, what you want. Then get specific. What's the actual goal? What's the timeline? What's the next step? Not the next 10. And here's a pro move. Don't ask what else you can add. Ask what you can eliminate. Sometimes clarity doesn't come from more, it comes from less. And this is exactly why I have created the Clarity Sprint, a free 15-minute call where you and I work together to cut through the fog. No pitch, no fluff, just a focused one-on-one call to help you get clear and move forward. So let me leave you with this. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You're just unclear. And clarity? Clarity changes everything. You deserve to wake up feeling focused, energized, and ready to take action on what matters most. So here's what I want you to do next. Book your free 15-minute clarity call by clicking the link in the show notes. And hey, this episode gave you that aha moment. Send it to a friend. You never know who's stuck in the fog and needs this message today. Until next time, stay focused, stay clear, and keep bouncing forward.